Absolutely. Good. I was just getting in a groove.
How's it feel to hit one of the deepest part out there?
Oh, it felt good. You know, I wasn't sure if I'd get it or not, but I hit it well enough and felt great.
You stick to the monster in the second round?
Yeah, that's a once in a lifetime deal, especially the way the wind's blowing tonight. So, you know, I'm just gonna go, just try to yank everything, keep it fair.
That might be the best home run you hit in your entire life. Do you think?
No.
No way.
The one that I hit in the College World Series against Arizona State was pretty close.
Yeah.
What do you think of this guy here?
Look at him.
What do you think of Connor Powers? He's got some pop in his bat.
Yeah, he's got some good pop, man. That's all. I mean, hits the ball well, hits the ball hard. Big power guy. I mean, see what happens. Is it just me and him?
That's it. That's it. Is the weather doing anything for the ball?
I think it lands a little bit heavier, but you got to play it through.
Oh.